Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to change Google Maps voice accent. Firstly, get up into the application, tap on your profile icon on your right upper side, then you need to go on the settings side right down, and when you get up into the settings side you need to find out the setup, which is navigation settings. You scroll down and right down you're gonna find out that setting, click on it, and here you're gonna be able to take a look and change this Google Maps voice accent. As you can see here, you have that setup for that section, which is normal to get it into it. As you can see on the first selection, voice selection, you can just tap on it, or if it's not on English section, as you can see here, you have different options to get it through in, and you choose up, and then you simply go cancel when you choose up, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.